if you're a Samsung user, you've probably heard of Samsung Pass. But is it really the best password manager out there? Today, we're diving into what it offers, its strengths, and some potential drawbacks you might want to consider. Samsung Pass is designed to streamline your login experience across devices, especially if you're deep into the Samsung ecosystem. It securely stores your passwords, using biometric authentication like fingerprints and facial recognition for quick access. The integration with Samsung devices is seamless, allowing you to autofill passwords in apps and websites, which is a huge time saver. However, while it's intuitively laid out, the user experience can feel a bit limiting for those who use multiple platforms. For example, if you switch to a non-Samsung device, you might find it challenging to access your stored passwords. Plus, it doesn't support as many third-party integrations as some of the more established password managers. Overall, while it's user-friendly for Samsung enthusiasts, it may not cater to those who prefer a more universal solution. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Samsung Pass offers robust security features and a smooth experience for Samsung users. The biometric login is convenient and fast, making it easy to access your accounts without remembering complex passwords. On the downside, its limited compatibility with non-Samsung devices can be a significant drawback, especially if you use multiple brands. There's also a concern about how well it handles password sharing, as that feature isn't as polished compared to dedicated password managers. Additionally, while it's free, the lack of premium features might leave advanced users wanting more. In short, while Samsung Pass is great for those fully embedded in the Samsung ecosystem, it might not suit everyone. In conclusion, Samsung Pass is a solid choice for Samsung device users who prioritize convenience and security. However, if you're looking for a more versatile password manager that works across different platforms, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying if you're already invested in Samsung products, but proceed with caution if you're not.